Everyone's idea of excelling in life is different. Each of us has a unique set of life experiences. These experiences have influenced your ideas about yourself, your goals, the world around you, and your definition of success. Excelling in life doesn't always mean that your life will be a smooth-running machine where you've overcome every failure and achieved all of your dreams. Be realistic about what excelling in life means to you. Make creative, flexible goals and develop a sense of self-worth and confidence. It's also important to understand that success means doing your best. Welcome back to Think Mad. In this video, we will talk about how to excel in life. So before moving further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. Alright, let's jump in. Number 5. Make a list of all the ways you can excel in life. The first step is to figure out what excelling in life means to you, as well as the kind of life you want to have. It may take time to sort through all of these questions and to decide what excellence in life truly means for you. Try to create the realistic possible definition of excelling in life: short-term, long-term, big dreams, and small successes. Get a journal or notebook that you dedicate solely to your new vision of your life and how you want to see yourself succeed. Start by making a list of all the ways you could excel in life, whether they are realistic or not. Write down your highest aspirations, all the way down to simple things like doing the dishes every day. You may find that your definition of excelling in life can start with making small changes every day, whether it has to do with your health, finances, career goals, family, romance, or personality traits, such as being more kind or nurturing your friendships. Number 4. Know what you want and review yourself regularly. Having a vision for your life is perhaps the greatest tool that you can utilize to get what you want. Identifying what gets you excited can be a complicated process, but the secret is that your needs and wants will change as the time goes on. This is a crucial part of the process of figuring out what you want and don't want in your life. In short, you're not going to make a mistake by creating a vision because it is supposed to change as you grow and evolve. Number 3. Get the hell out of your comfort zone. If you want great things happen to you, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Don't get stuck doing the same exact mundane things every day. Life is too short to not take risks. It would be a shame to grow old without having to witness your true potential. Start with little things that you normally wouldn't do. Challenge yourself. Always be honest with yourself when you find making excuses for not taking action. Number 2. Be committed. Through commitment, you can gain motivation to pursue success. Staying focused on your goal is crucial. What are you willing to sacrifice to achieve your goals? In determining your commitment to your goal, it's important to ensure you have realistic expectations of yourself and the outcome. If your commitment is not paying off after a certain time, you should adjust your goal accordingly and revise any necessary steps. Number 1. Get rid of all the distractions. Find out what is really distracting you from your goal. Make a list of things. It could be your phone, social media websites, television, or a person that causes you stress. You need to decide whether you want to keep getting distracted or take action to minimize their control on you. How to avoid getting distraction? Well, it's not that simple, but it starts with setting up a deadline for yourself. Throw away your phone and other electronics and get to work. You need to realize if you don't take necessary actions to improve your situation, you are setting yourself up for failure. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, do like and subscribe. And don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. Until then, stay tuned to Think Mad.